is the heaviest wind ever you have ever experienced. Yo, this is the most destroyable wind ever. Yo, look at that tree over there. In that tree, my diggity hot diggity dig boy. That Yo, that tree right there is getting destroyed. Oh, and I think one of the trees we ended up somewhere. Oh, I think it ended up somewhere here or it came out. I don't know. Yo, we're surviving this, bro. It's the Pokemon Johto. Oh my god, no! Shoot! Shoot! Yo, look at how many red drops this thing land on the board. Dance. You know, imagine something like a red bullet just shoot at everything in the wall. And next thing people have to get iron house. Next thing they have to buy wooden doors to make sure the iron doesn't break. Imagine that happen. And look at that Donald tree at our neighbors. It's literally not even taking a single. The damsel tree is it's I don't know what's going on, but I do. The tree's I like to get water. Yo, why am I saying that? Ah! Yo, look at that. You got to be kidding me. That's insane. Yo! Yo, seriously, bruh. If you thought somebody did this, make sure this was crazy. Oh, sorry. Jeez. Oh. Ah! What the heck? Oh. What the mountain? Oh, anyways, we're back. Oh. So we gotta clean my camera. No, it's pretty windy sometimes. So we're gonna have to put my scarf around the phone. So okay, there, we can record now. I'm not sure if my scarf is gonna get this much footage. I don't care if I get wet or oh my god, my dog, Shiba, are you okay? Shiba, you're wrong. You shouldn't go in the doghouse. Hey, Dad! Shiba, I want to go in the doghouse now. Shiba, I want to go in the doghouse now. Watch it there by the doghouse. Yo, this stupid dog doesn't. Seriously. Oh, wait. Oh, you got a point. Disneyland is pretty cool. Oh, let me clean my the camera phone. My camera doesn't pick up much footage. Yo, what's happening? Yo, guys, I did not know what happened. A giant tsunami wave just. I don't know what just happened. Oh, and I think my phone is waterproof still. Oh, I thought I didn't take the waterproof out of it. Yeah, but my phone is still okay. My phone, no! This is why you should never have technology in water. We welcome the extension of the 57 committees monitoring. I'm gonna have to cover up my food.
for an additional 36
Oh,
months.
and if you watch Disney minus scam videos, yeah, you better watch how easy. A Black Panther is so like on the top avatar is like so,
Listing criteria. The United States welcomes the support from council members regarding its inclusion.
you got a team problem. Come on, yo. How easy it is, yo. How easy it is. I'm like, yeah. Oh, oh, nah. That's like Disney minus trick one. Never ever dare use your phone in the rain when you're recording with a flash on. That's like the doublest trick I have ever done on YouTube. Yo, that's why. Okay, we gotta wipe my phone again.
We offer you the best quality roofing materials, professional service.
Oh, anyways, I have to clean my phone. Yeah, that's not good. Yo, my dog used to be afraid of this, but why isn't it getting afraid now? Oh, it's like a year. It's big turbo. Yo, how easy. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for 17 million and 17 subscribers. Oh, and make sure so we can. I want to hit a lot of subscribers. Make sure so I can hit 1,000 subscribers. Oh, and get me to 50 subs. So please subscribe, guys. Anyways, back to the video. How easy is it? Oh, how easy it is, bruh. Have you? Shoot! Oh my god! The peace tree. Yo. You're wrong. That dog is wrong. Should have gone in the doghouse. Run is gonna fall again. Like that's the. No, that's the.